my gosh. Look at this, Mom.
What did he do?
Look at that.
We know your Christmas movies.
Yeah.
Well, look at it.
You want to watch a Christmas movie or something, Anna?
Yeah.
What do you think, Tristan?
Yeah.
Look. He got a Christmas Story.
Oh, that's a good one right there. Think that's his favorite?
Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh. Naughty little